Roadworks are currently progressing at Ashbourne. Our contractors are actively carrying out a range of civil construction activities as the development advances toward its next key milestones. At present, earthworks are ongoing across the site as bulk earthworks excavation and shaping of the land continues in preparation for future infrastructure and residential lots. Road pavement works have commenced, retaining wall construction is progressing, and sewer reticulation works are also currently ongoing. In the upcoming weeks, stormwater drainage installation is scheduled to commence, which will involve excavation and laying of underground drainage infrastructure across the subdivision. Road pavement works will continue to advance in parallel of additional sections of the internal road network are brought to formation. Preliminary services works are also anticipated to begin shortly, which will conclude the early stage installation of underground utility conduits and associated infrastructure.